Hello friends, welcome to Java tutorial. This is our first tutorial of Java. So let's start with the introduction of Java. Java is a platform independent programming language. Java is a high level and object oriented programming language which is developed at Sun Microsystem. Java is third generation programming language like C, Fortran, Perl, etc. Java combines the feature of C and C++, like object-oriented concept from C++ and syntax of C. Java program runs on Java Virtual Machine called JVM. Using Java, we can create stand-alone program called application, and we can also create web-based program called applet. Java application is platform independent, so Java program can be run on any platform. Java applet runs on Java enabled web browser like Netscape, Internet Explorer, etc. Java has many features like cross-platform communication and object-oriented programming language, which makes Java a basic internet programming language. Now let's go through the history of Java. Java was invented by James Gosling in 1991. The language was initially called Awk but was renamed Java in 1995. Awk had very less features in compared to Java. Awk was mainly used for embedded and electronic communication device. Java has many features. So let's go through the features of Java. Java is very simple programming language. Java utilizes features in C++ and simplify complex concept in C++. Example, pointers. Java is platform independent programming language. Platform independence is the most existing features of Java. That means programs in Java can be executed on variety of systems. This feature is based on goal, write once and run anywhere, which is called WORA, which makes Java a portable language. Java is object-oriented language. It uses OOP model. Java uses object to create program and application. Java has many OOP features like encapsulation, inheritance, etc. Compiled. Java program compiled into bytecode using a Java compiler. Multithreading. Java supports multi-threaded program, which allows a program to write such a program that can perform many tasks simultaneously. Here, thread means small piece of several tasks. Robust. Robust means reliable. Java support automatic garbage collection. Exception. Exception means any error can be captured and managed effectively, so your program can run without any runtime error. Extensible. Java supports native methods to access functions from other languages like C++.